This is LifePod XRC, the world's first AR-capable hard case with built-in lock, biometrics, modular interior, plus multi-point compression latches for quick entry. Let's get started. Roll or carry. LifePod XRC was made to go where you go. Built with replaceable wheels to swap out as needed. Unlock via the water-resistant high-resolution biometric scanner or the SmartSense digital numeric keypad. Inside, find storage large enough to store dual ARs or a combination of items. Secure your setup utilizing the custom-crafted included strap system or rely completely on the compression of the safe. Place items in the lid with the modular lid storage system. Use the lid for full compression or swap it for a custom accessory panel. Once shut and latched, your items are now protected from all the elements. And at night, LifePod XRC lights up, so you can easily see inside utilizing the two built-in LED lights. Custom interior, weather resistant, built-in lock, easy to carry or roll, and capable of storing your AR plus more. This is LifePod XRC, a true world's first, only from Vaultek.